Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Dave, and in this Magento 2 Basics tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a free shipping coupon in Magento 2.
Now, this is going to form part of a mini series on coupons in Magento 2, but we have to start somewhere. So, Dave, let's start with a nice simple one, which is a free shipping coupon.
So I'm guessing, Matt, this is a great place to get started with coupons, get familiar with the different options we've got, and then we can move on to the advanced stuff.
That's right. We got to start somewhere before we can do the really cool stuff. So with that said, let's jump across to our desktop and we'll catch up with you there. Do note you can follow us along in your Magento 2 system as well. So we'll see you in a few seconds' time. So Dave, we've been and jumped across to our dashboard and we can find our coupon section underneath marketing, and the section which we're after is called cart price rules. So let's click into there, and when we go in there you'll notice, Dave, we don't have any rules just yet, or we don't have any coupons just yet.
Nope, it's pretty empty.
Indeed. So let's go and create one. And for this first example in this little mini series on coupons, we're going to start off with just free shipping. Okay, so we're going to call the rule free shipping. And that's probably our biggest tip for you, is to name your rules effectively, so that if you only saw free shipping back on the main menu, you would know that that's a free shipping coupon. Make it really, really easy so that when you're back on the previous screen, you can see what's happening. Now, Dave, from here, all it is a couple of clicks and it's job done. It's really straightforward to do. So scrolling down, we need to choose the site. We also need to change the customer group. So in this case, we're going to select them all. So if in any doubt at all, select them all. Oh, and Dave, by the way, to select them all, you click on the first one, hold down the shift key, and then click on the bottom one, and they're all selected. Or if you want to just select not logged in and general, you hold down the control key and you can do that. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's just like in Excel, for example.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go and get those selected. Next off is the coupon. So where it says coupon, we're going to drop this option down and we're going to choose specific coupon, and we're going to call ours free ship. Okay, highly creative there, Dave, but we just want something which we can use on our social marketing accounts, for example, or maybe in an email marketing campaign, and having a coupon code which customers will understand will help them. Okay, so instead of a random set of characters, and by the way, you can use the auto generation option, but that really does give a scary amount of characters for customers to type in or copy and paste in. Now, you can set a limit of coupon uses and the limit of number of uses per customer. We'll cover these options off in a later video tutorial. But Dave, crucially, what we do need to set is a from and to date. So we're recording this on the 21st of April 2016, and this is going to be a week-long promotion, or it's going to be a week and 1 day promotion up to the 29th. So we'll choose the 29th. Now, Dave, it is worth noting that we could have different codes with different dates. So maybe you're thinking about running a email marketing campaign, but not until next Friday, for example. You can come in here and set up your discount code and then set the enabled from, so from and to dates, so that that code only works between those two dates. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes total sense. Now, Matt, if you wanted to, say, run a code indefinitely, do you still need to fill those in, or would you just pick a really long date in the future?
That's a really good question. Personally, I'd choose the day and set a really long date in the future. So 2019, something like that. That's the way which I would do it. And the reason why I'm suggesting that is because the date column appears back out on the main list of coupons so that you can see which ones are your long-standing running ones. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Just makes it a little bit easier back on the main list. And that's why I was going back and suggesting that we name the coupon really obviously what it does, so that we can just see it at a glance. Just makes managing lots and lots of coupons very, very easy. Now, I'm not going to go into RSS or priority during this tutorial. If we go up to conditions, we're just going to leave that option. But Dave, this is going to give you a hint that we can be as accurate or as loose as we need to be. The next option is actions on the left hand side, and what we're going to do here is we're going to change free shipping from no to yes, or for matching items only. And again, Dave, can you see a hint of the power which we've got in Magento 2 is that we can do very granular options if we so wish.
I like that.
Yeah, it's crazy what you can do in Magento 2. Absolutely crazy. But for now, we're just going with a very simple option. And by the way, you could set up free shipping just on a specific range of products, and we'll cover that off in the later tutorials, which we mentioned a few moments ago. You've also got a labels tab. Now this is the customer facing version of the label. So this is what the customer will see as their coupon label. And of course, if you've got multiple different store views, of course, in different languages, then you would want to change that appropriately. But we're going to keep this really simple with free shipping. And I'm just going to copy that and paste that into the store view option as well. Once you've been and done that, press save at the top. And Dave, there we go. Can you see what I was saying earlier about just having the label name at the top? We can at a glance now see that it's free shipping. The coupon code is free ship. We can see the start date, we can see the end date, and we can also see that it's active. Now, a little note here is that if you wanted to disable this coupon at any point in time, you can come in here, click on the row where you've got status active. You can drop that down and then choose inactive. So Dave, should we go and see what this looks like on the front end of our website?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. So let's go back and we've got free ship. So I've got an item up here on the front end of our Magento website. Let's go and add this to our cart. So that would just take a few seconds. Brilliant. I can see it's in our cart. So Dave, let's go across to our shopping cart and see if we can apply that discount code to our item in our cart. Dave, we're in the cart and we had free ship. Now you'll notice that I'm using lowercase, not uppercase. If we click apply discount, give that a moment, and there we go. We've got the confirmation that we've used the coupon free ship. And of course, we then go through the checkout and we'll have free shipping available to us. Nice and easy for a starter coupon.
That was really easy, yeah.
And remember that you can create multiple different coupons. You can use them from all types of promotions. You can have customer specific promotions. You could have coupons which are just for Facebook, for example, and coupon codes are brilliant. Maybe you create a coupon code just for Facebook, for example. Maybe Facebook free ship or FB free ship, or for Twitter, TW free ship. They're very, very versatile tools, and they're just a very simple way for you to track and look at your conversions to see where your customers are coming from, especially when you're running promotions. Does that help, Dave?
Yeah, massively. I'm excited to see what other cool things you can do with all those nice rule options that it has available.
Absolute granular control on what you can do and which products this applies to as well. So I tell you what, Dave, a little spoiler for the next tutorial in this mini series. What you could do is that maybe just for the duffel bags which you've got in your store, so maybe if you sell remote controls or tape measures, for example, that you could run a promotion just on those products. So I'm sure you've seen those on other websites where you've got rules or coupons only applicable to certain product types. You can definitely do that with your Magento 2 store, and we'll show you how in a later tutorial. So don't forget to check on YouTube or over at understandinge.com for the next part in this series. Anyway, Dave, time for us to wrap up. And of course, from myself and Dave too, we sincerely hope this video tutorial has been a help to you in your business. And on that note, from myself, Matt.
And from me, Dave.
Cheerios. So from myself, Matt.
And me, Dave.
We hope that you found this video tutorial helpful.
If you have, then let us know by leaving a thumbs up on this video below or subscribing to our YouTube channel.
We believe to use Magento, you don't need a degree in Nerd, and we've created you over 300 step-by-step video tutorials at understandinge.com to help you.
In these tutorials, you'll learn how to use Magento with no prior knowledge,
how to build a fully responsive Magento website for just $99, which is about 65 quid.
How you can use Magento to sell on eBay and Amazon with M2E Pro.
And you'll be joined by over 6,000 fellow business owners just like you.
And the best part is, it's free to join.
So for myself, Matt.
And me, Dave.
We'll see you there. Cheerios!